So very good morning, dear smarts. This is 9th class mathematics. Real numbers. Some more operations in real numbers. So everyone must know how to play games with numbers and with symbols. So everyone must know the fundamental operations. Fundamental operations are like first aid in the medicine. Fundamental operations are like first aid. So children, so everyone must know the fundamentals. How to do operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, and with the root values and some others. So I am going to explain some of. Before going problems, I will give some general formula. Root AB, root of AB equal to root A into root B. Root A into root B, or root A root B, or root A root B, and root A by B. So root of A by B equal to root A by root B. Root A by root B, and root A plus root B into root A minus root B is equal to root A whole square minus root B whole square. This is equal to A minus B. A minus B. Root A whole square, A minus B. A plus root B into A minus root B equal to, we can write it, A square minus root B whole square. Then after, A square minus B, root B whole square means B, root A whole square means A. And children, root A plus root B whole square, you know about A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square minus 2A, A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is root A plus root B whole square? Root A plus root B whole square also same formula. Root A whole square plus 2 root AB plus root B whole square. This is equal to root A whole square means A plus 2 root AB plus B. These are some of the formulas. Watch and copy down. Okay? And also one more thing, children. You know about the river water and sea water. If the river water merge into sea water, what is it called? Totally sea water. So like that, if Q is rational, if Q is rational number and S is irrational number, then Q plus S, Q minus S, Q into S, Q by S, Q by S. S is not equal to 0. S is not equal to 0 are also irrational numbers. Or irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Note this point. Let's move to the exercise. And also before moving, I introduce exercise 4. Write the following words. Exercise 1.4. If you have a textbook, watch page number 24. Simplify the following expressions. The following expressions. 5 root 7 plus 2 plus root 5. 5 root 7. 5 plus root 7. 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5. 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. Children, first observe the given sum is belongs to any formula. 5 plus root 7, 2 plus root 5. There is no formula. You have to multiply. First take 5 and multiply these two. 5 into 2, 10 plus 5 root 5. 5 root 5. Again, take root 7. Multiply both numbers. Plus into plus plus. Root 7 into 2. 2 root 7. 2 root 7 means root 7 plus root 7. 2 root 7. Root 7 into root 5. Plus into plus plus. Root 7 into root 5. This is equal to 10 plus 5 root 5. 5 root 5. 7 root 5. Root 7 into root 5. This is equal to root 7 into root 5. 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus, we can write it 7 5 are 35. 35. Root 35. This is equal to 10 plus 5 root 5. This is equal to 2 root 7 plus, we write 5. 5 plus there are no common. 10, 5 root 5. Is there any root 5? No. 2 root 7. 7 into 5. No 5s. If we take common, root 5 common. If we take common, root 5 or else leave it. Here 5 root 5. 2 root 7. 2 root 7. Okay. This is the simplification. Next, 5 root 5 plus 5 minus root 5. 5 plus root 5. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. 5 minus root 5. This is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Like a square minus b square. 5 square minus root 5 whole square. 5 square 25 minus root 5 whole square 5. This is equal to 20. Okay, children, copy down. Do some more topics if you have a textbook. Otherwise, we'll do tomorrow. Okay. 10 minutes వచ్చింది. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Subtract. Here subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from this. Here we write 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. Like that you have to write. Subtract. In subtraction, this is equal to the first one, write same as 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Here remove the bracket. Before removing the bracket, first simplify the symbols. Minus into plus. If there is no symbol in front of the digit, there is a plus compulsory. So minus into plus, minus 5 root 3. Minus into plus, minus 7 root 5. 7 root 5. Now add or subtract like terms only. Like terms means here 3 root 5. Again we adding or subtracting root 5s only. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5. 7 minus 3 minus 4 root 5. That is the system. Minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Root 3. So minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 root 3. Minus 12 root 3. Now what is common here? We don't add these two. These are root 5s. These are 12 root 3s. 4 root 5s. So we don't add or subtracting those two. Now common minus 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. This is the simplification. Have you understood, children? I will give some more here. Simplify the following expressions. HW. simplify the following expressions. Simplify the following expression. The first one, 3 root 3 plus 3 plus root 3 plus 2 plus root 2. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. Second one, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Third, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Simplify all these. If you have any doubt, post my WhatsApp number. I will clarify your doubts tomorrow class. Okay children, have a nice time.